Hello friends, in this video we'll change the ABS brake systems. First we need to unwind all the attachment tubes. All these tubes. And then remove the plug. Friends, this is a new ABS, which we will now collect with you. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. So, we screw it all the mounting tubes, all these tubes, then install the plug in place. And then add brake fluid and remove air from the systems. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.